Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to the display-related area. This is where MIUI hides navigation controls. Once in Display or Additional Settings, look for Full Screen Display or Navigation Bar. Names vary by MIUI release. Tap that entry. You will immediately see Current Navigation Mode. Make sure you have a finger ready to toggle options and review prompts, because changing modes can alter gestures and back button behavior on the spot. Now choose either classic navigation buttons or full screen gestures. Pick the mode that fits your workflow. If you pick gestures, the phone usually offers a short tutorial. Follow it to learn swipe patterns. For button mode, check customization options to swap button order or enable extra keys. Once done, test immediately by returning to Home and an app to confirm behavior. Make adjustments to sensitivity or hints so the gestures feel natural and reduce accidental triggers. Finish by confirming changes and using the phone normally for a few minutes. This surfaces any odd interactions. If navigation feels unstable, restart the device. That often resolves transient issues. If problems persist, reset navigation settings to defaults or toggle modes back and forth to reinitialize. As a last step, make sure MIUI is updated, and if needed, clear Settings app cache. These actions fix most persistent glitches without data loss, so you can return to smooth navigation quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.